Hello, this is Mrs. Bailey, and this is my budget. Today, we have Mr. Bailey back.
Hey, y'all.
So today we are going to cash stuff this week's bills, but we also are officially starting our 1 week ahead cash stuffing. So what I did is, let me see. Okay, there we go. I went to the bank. I wish that I could have or would have at least printed this out into a simpler form, but I got all of the denominations that I need this time, so we don't have to worry about how the last video was when we was trying to figure out the change. And then the other thing that I did was I'm going to be following this. So if I'm not going in the order of the envelopes that's in here, it's because I'm actually going by this. So I know how much I have to actually stuff today. So we are going to be cash stuffing, and we also are going to account for the digital money that we are putting in. I still have the $3 over here from last time. I don't think I'm going to use this, so I'm actually going to put that to the side. But we have this bill right here. They just gave this to me. I'm going to promise you, I don't know if you guys remember, like in the emergency fund, there's a $20 bill, an old $20 bill in there. I think I'm about to switch this out in the emergency fund money, because I know hopefully we won't have to spend that. But I don't want to spend this. So, and I want to look it up and see what it's about. But let's see, 100. Let me just do that first before we even count. Huh?
Show me the back. I like the back of it.
The back of this? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. It looks like it almost looked like $1,000 at first, but
That's what I thought when you first got it.
that looks sweet.
I see that.
Yep. Oh, here's the other 20 right here. This is the old 20 right there. So we're going to set both of these to the side. And we're going to get our 20, 40, 60, 81. And then we're going to put this 20 and this 100 back in the emergency fund. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be stuffing the emergency fund today either. I actually have the money for it, but I forgot to get it out. So I'm probably going to be like double, triple stuffing tomorrow or the next day. Okay, so that was 100, 150, 170. Oh, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And this should be 21s. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2. Ooh, that's a 3, 4, 5, 60. There's an extra one. If it's an extra one, it's not my fault. Let me count that one more time just to make sure. How much did I say that was? 45. That was 145. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. Now it was 67. I think it was because those ones were, stuck together. So I'm just gonna put these two to the side. Cause I know I said 265. The actual machine counted it for her, not the thing. I'm just gonna make sure at the end. We'll know at the end if the count is off. Okay, so anyway, first we're gonna say that we have. Yesterday, they had a sale at Sam's Club. It was Labor Day, and we had budgeted $50, but we hadn't put it on here yet. We hadn't showed you guys yet. Where we budgeted $50 for Sam's Club, and yesterday we used $10, but we took it from our Cash app because I don't put my bank card or any credit cards or anything on my Sam's Club app, and I like to use what's that thing called? Scan and Go. So I took $10 from the
Cash out.
yeah, the Cash App. I actually put the money in the Cash App for that last loan that's due this Friday. So instead of putting 25 in there today, we're actually going to put 35 in there. So that's already in there, in the bank, in the Cash App. So that's $35 that's going in there. And everything else, that's there. So let me put plus 35. So that's $85. And I actually need to put that right here too. So if you guys see me doing this, it's because I am also putting it up here. Okay. All right, so next is the rent. We're gonna put $154, 20, 40, 60, 81, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta make sure they ain't stuck together too now. Now let's see the total. Let's see. They're gonna put it back in there after I'm done. Well, can you count this for me while I'm or you don't want to? You don't have to if you don't want to. Okay. Well, can you put that all together over here, like visible, while I write this in? Let's see. Plus 154. Do it faster. Can you? Yeah, that's what I was saying. Can you separate those? Let me show you guys what I'm doing too. Is that visible? Okay. So I'm not going to show this every time, but what I'm doing is I'm adding or subtracting 154, and then I'm going to put the totals over here. So I'm going to do it kind of like off camera because it's back here because I really don't have enough room. And then I'm going to put the totals all over here, and then I'll show that at the end. Okay, so now, and yeah, so now in the house we finally have, it's more 50s in here. I just gave them all to you. Yeah, that's what I was just showing you. That I can see them right here. Yep, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, 51. 50, 70, 90, you know what? Let me put that 50 right there so I can go faster. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 570, that's 590, 95, 600, 605, 6, 7, 8, 9, ooh, 10, 11, 12. Wow, they are stuck together. That's what happened at that bank. Okay, so $612 is now in there, and we have to have 900 in there. Okay, you put that back in there for me. And then you can probably leave it open because we're going to the next thing. Okay, the next thing is going to be loans. Can you flip to loans for me? Last week when we did loans, I put everything digital because they were due so soon, but this is what we're actually starting for next week. I said I was going to start it to the end, but that didn't make any sense to put pressure on us like that when we only have to put a little bit at a time. So we are going to put $16 in one and $6 in the other. So one is 110 and the other one would be 40. So this is, if we do it every 7 days, we'd have to put $16 a day in one and $6 a day in the other one. So that's 10, 20, $22 now in loans. But yeah, but when I put it here, oops, let's see. That one only has 16 and this one only has 6. Okay. And I need to write it here. Because that was 0. But now we are at 6 and 16. Okay. Next is going to be the credit cards. That is actually in here. Yeah. So this is the money for the credit cards right here. So I need to put, okay, for this one I need to put 17. So 10, 15, 16, 17. And then I already had that in, so 10 for that one. And 9 for that one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sorry I'm counting so slow on those, but those ones are stuck together. Okay. So all together that we're putting in here is 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay, that's right. And then here, put that together while I so I can give it a count. I need to write these in. 10, 9. Okay, let's see what the new total is. Now the new total, yesterday we had 72, so let's see what we have today. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Ooh, those stuck together too. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we now have $108 in credit cards, but what I have to do is the one that I've been putting $17 for is due tomorrow, and I actually want to put that in the bank. So we are going to take 50 out. So we had 108, and then we're going to take out 50, 20, 40, 50, and we are going to set that to the side over here. And that will leave us with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So the new total is 58 because we took out 50. Okay, so all of the credit cards are done. So this one now has 0. That's the only thing where I'm at because I have them separate on here. This one now has 10, 30. Yeah. And what's the other one? That one's 9. What's 9 times 3? 27?
27.
Yeah, so that one now has 27. Okay, which the total was 58. Okay, what's next? Apple. We need to put, yes, Apple subscriptions is back there somewhere. We need to put $3 in Apple, which actually I'm just going to keep this out because this is due, is it the 3rd? Yeah, this is actually due tomorrow. So instead of me just putting this back in there, they take it out like in the afternoon sometime. I'm just going to put this in here with the 58. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So then we're going to minus the 9, which zeroed that out. Okay. I actually need to put that on there because I forgot about that. And then I minus 9. Right there. And so that one's now 0. Okay. Next, Let's do, I'm trying to go on this row. Let's do doctor's appointment. That's in health, yeah. Doctor's appointment, we are gonna put 38. That is, look, I'm missing something. 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my husband is helping me on the side. So the envelope is, the binders are over there with him. 10, 5, you know, 20, 5s and 1s. Okay, so doctors now have, we put the 38, okay, doctor, let me put that on there. Where's that? It's down here. 38. Doctors did have 86. Now it has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. $124. And the last thing, oh, let me put that on there. 124. And the last one is the Xfinity, which is our Wi-Fi, which is $12. Yeah, see, they gave me extra ones. I'm gonna have to, I hope nobody gets in trouble. Their drawer come up short. But when I go back tomorrow, I'll ask them, did anybody's drawer come up short? So $12 in Xfinity. Xfinity had 24, and now it has 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we added 12, and now it has 36. And thank you, honey. Okay, Xfinity now has, what did I say? 36. $36. Okay, so taking back to the bank is okay. So back to the bank today, we are taking 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, $59 back to the bank for the bills that will be coming out tomorrow. So anyways, I forgot to say, if you guys like anything that you see in the video, the cash wallet, the cash stuffing envelope wallet binders, the tray, ultimate book of savings, this is where I'm doing my emergency fund. So when I go to stuff tomorrow or the next day, I'm going to color in the bubbles, which each bubble is worth $23. If I color them all in, it'll be $1,012. And so far, I think we have like $184 in there. And we are trying to get to 1,000. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you all tomorrow with another cash stuffing video.